This is a 2023 Honda Goldwing Tour DCT. What the DCT stands for is dual clutch transmission, so it's an automatic, but it can also be put into a manual mode. This is Honda's iconic touring bike. They've been making these bikes for years, and just an incredible touring bike. For cross country, you just can't hardly beat it. And they run forever. Now the color of this 23 Honda Tour DCT is Candy Ardent Red. That's really a great color. Unfortunately today the sun's not really out, so you can't really see it very well, but it is just an absolutely stunning paint job with the black accents and then the chrome on it. Beautiful bike. This bike is in excellent condition. It has 20,069 original miles on it. It's a two-owner bike. The factory warranty is in effect until April of 2026, and at that time you can head down to your local Honda dealer and extend that warranty if you choose. Now, being the Honda Goldwing, it just comes natural from the factory with just about every option you can think of on it. Obviously it has the ABS, the cruise control, navigation, great stereo system, AM, FM, XM, Bluetooth. You can plug your phone into it and the CarPlay will display on your screen there, and also Google. Security system with two keys, two key fobs. Center stand. They come with an electric windshield that is adjustable on the fly. Now the windshield has been replaced, a standard one, with a Clearview Flared Windshield. So it's not quite as tall, but it gives you a lot better wind protection. And then when you turn the bike off, it goes down to the down position, and you turn the bike on and it will go back to the last position you had it at, so you don't have to sit there and fiddle with the windshield height every time you start the bike. Comes standard with the driving lights, so you have a lot of visibility in the front. Nice LED headlights, and in the back you have big LED lights on the tour pack. And being a Goldwing, obviously it has a very comfortable seat for not only you, but your passenger, and the seat is heated, as are the grips. So if you're in any cold weather riding, you can stay warm and get a lot of wind protection with this bike. Other standard features on it are the different riding modes. It has a walk mode for when you're in a parking lot or your driveway or your garage and you're trying to move the bike around. It'll go. You can put it into a walk mode to go either forward or reverse. And then for performance modes, it has an eco mode for economy when you're out on the highway. It has a rain mode for when the roads are slick and you don't want to spin out. It has a tour mode for out on the interstate or the highway when you're pounding out the miles trying to get to your destination. And then it's got a sport mode for when you want to go out and rip the twisties. And believe it or not, as big as this bike is, it is very agile, and you can go out and rip the twisties with it. Now it is very highly accessorized, and we'll start here in the back. It's got the nice luggage rack on the tour pack. An LED light inside the trunk has been added, which comes in real handy in the evening when you're trying to load or unload the bike. The detachable Riders Backrest which is a must-have. A little pouch back here for your passenger to store her phone or whatever. It has a Goldstream adjustable Hwy Pegs, so you can get them just exactly where you want them. Nice big pad on the side stand. Has a beverage holder. Those always come in handy. Now the big option that has been added to this, that most Goldwing riders add to their Goldwings, is the HELI-BAR adjustable handlebars. Very high dollar option. Very high dollar. And you can see in here, you can adjust these up and down, and then you can adjust your grips so you can find just exactly the right spot for long rides. And an option that shouldn't be an option, but it is this Goldwing has the aluminum skid plate added to it. Something that should come from the factory but doesn't. And that is a must-have on a Goldwing, because there are parts underneath there that you do not want road debris to hit and break. Just a beautiful touring bike. This bike will take you just about anywhere you want to go. If you're ready to do a four corners ride or just cross country, this bike will get the job done and do it very, very well. And in comfort. It has a security system. This is your gas cap. This is an area where you can put your phone and plug it in. That's a vent for when it's hot out. Turn the bike on here. Wait for it to load. There's your mileage. Now, if you're looking for a good touring bike, and you've been looking at the Goldwings, you know a brand new one is going to cost you an arm and a leg. This one has all the accessories that you would put on one. This bike is priced to sell. Save yourself a barrel full of money and get you just an awesome looking Goldwing Tour DCT with low mileage and a factory warranty that still is in effect. Now we can be reached at 417-343-3696. Ask for Will. Or we can be found on the internet at www.dreamcyclesusa.com. Give us a holler and we'll see if we can put this beauty in your garage, and you'll be set for your spring and summer road trips. Thanks for watching our video.